नमस्कार, अस्मिताय चायच्या भागात तुमका सगळ्यांक येवकार. मेकअप लावन सुंदर दिसप खूप सोपे असता, पण ही सुंदरकाय तात्पुरती असता. खरी सुंदरकाय असता जेन्ना तुमची स्किन हेल्दी असता आणि ती भितरल्यान ग्लो जाता. वेगवेगळ्या बायलांक सुंदर दिसपाक आणि त्यांची स्किन हेल्दी आणि ग्लो करपाक मदत करता आमची आयची अस्तुरी. आमी आयल्यात ह्याच अस्तुरीक मेळपाक मिरामार हांगासर आणि तिका आमी मेळटली तिच्या मेकअप स्टुडिओन, जिका तिने नाव दिला हसीनाज ब्युटी वर्ल्ड. सो तिका मेळूया आणि जाणून घेऊया या अस्तुरी बद्दल. चला तर. हसीना बांदोकरा गेली 40 वर्सां सावन ब्युटिशियन म्हणून काम करता. खूपशा सेलिब्रिटीज बरोबर तिने काम केला. तसेच आपल्या एरोमा थेरपीतल्यान तिने कितलेशाच लोकांक ट्रीटमेंट दिला. अस्मिताय चायच्या भागात आमच्या बरोबर आसा आमची आईची सोयरी हसीना बांदुकारा. तर तुमकां उमेद जाली आसतली आणि तितलेच एक्साइटमेंट आसतले आमच्या आईच्या सोयऱ्याक मेळपाक, रायट? तर मेळुया तिका. नमस्कार, तुमकां अस्मिताय चायच्या भागान येवकार.
नमस्ते.
सगळ्यांत पयलीं म्हाका तुमकां विचारन दिसता की तुमचें करियर स्टार्ट जालें 40 इयर्स पयलीं. तेन्ना चडश्यो बायल्यो ब्युटी हेतून कॉन्शियस नाशिल्ल्यो, चडशे कसले प्रोडक्ट्स घेवपाक वचनाशिल्ली, म्हणजे खंय तरी फाटी आशिल्ली. त्या टायमाची तुमची ही जर्नी ह्या ब्युटी वर्ल्डान सुरू कशी जाली?
I think as a kid I was always very excited to see people who really look good, who dressed up well, and glamour always attracted me. Even ladies who wore the Portuguese ladies who were around my house, who wore nice lipstick and nail polish and all, I used to be very happy to see them. And my fascination towards this went with our film star Helen. So Helen has been my inspiration because of the makeup. What I used to do as a kid, my mom's dupattas and all had sequences and all, no? I used to remove those sequences slowly without my mom knowing and put on my eyes and all. With color pencil I used to do my eyes and all, no? And try to just dress up like her, look like her, and these all things were there in me. Tabhi who used to buy? Nobody used to give us makeup and all, no, as we were kids. So I used to try these tricks.
ओके. सो तुमकां आयकोपाक एक अजाप दिसतलें की आमची जी ही मेकअप आर्टिस्ट आमच्या बरोबर जी आसा, ही इतल्या वर्साचे एक्सपिरियन्स तिका आसा. तिणे आपलें करियर केन्ना सुरू केलां तें, ती फक्त ए स्टँडर्डान आशिल्ली तेन्नाच्यान तिणे हे करियर तिणे चूज केलें. सो दीस इज समथींग म्हणजे आउट ऑफ द बॉक्स. कशें कोण चिंतूच शकना की 8वेन आसतना कोण तरी हे प्रोफेशन चूज करूं शकता. हे कशें कितें घडलें?
See, whenever all these Goan ladies who were there, our neighbors and all, and usually Catholic ladies had short hair and all, so we had lot of around it. So they used to go for haircuts. So I used to always tell them, auntie, I am barabari tuja, so that I get entry into beauty parlor. We were not allowed to go to beauty parlors and all, no. So I used to go with them and see that I get entry, and I used to stand beside them and watch them doing haircuts and all, no. So I used to really feel good. And when they used to do threading and all, I used to come home, try to do the thread my way. Then I used to not get it, then ask another auntie, tuje केस वडले जाला, आमी या पार्लरान या. I used to say, नाका बाबा, आता नाका, मागीर वयतली. ना, यो auntie, थिंगा बरें haircut कोत्ता. So we had a local parlor just near our house. So I used to take them there and take entry.
सो जेन्ना तुमी हे तुमकां डिसायड केलें की आपूण ह्याच प्रोफेशनान वतली, तेन्ना घरच्यांची कितें रिएक्शन आशिल्लें? म्हणजे खंय तरी आमी भुरग्यांक अशा प्रोफेशनाक वचपाक खंय तरी फाटी ओडटात आणि तेन्ना म्हणजे ऑलमोस्ट 40 वर्सां पयलीं तुमी हे केलां. सो तेन्ना म्हाका दिसता बॉम्ब ब्लास्टूच जाला आसतलो घरान.
बिग हंगामा एट होम. नटीपणाचें काम नाकाच. मॉम सेड ये नटीपन आई डोंट वांट एट होम. नहीं मांगता घर के अंदर ऐसा कुछ. I don't want to live all this. All are graduates and all. Why you want to go into this? But I used to tell Mama, but I like it. No, I'll go for this. I'm studying also. No, I'm going for this also. No, she said nothing doing. I don't want. She even went and told her parlor lady, "माझी चोडवा घेना का करपाक." like, and then she explained to my mother that this is art. She's so good at it. I can see that she has a passion. Allow her like that. So I think what she had contributed, thoda, it worked. Like, but that's what. Afterwards, I went Mumbai, did more trainings, like, and I was supposed to come and put up my salon in Goa. But then I was attracted to Bombay that time, and I stayed there only, and I pursued my career there. I worked for another big organizations, like, and got good trainings from them too. Like, so I think in the 80s I was already doing, when all were studying and all that thing, I was already working. And even school time, no, that time in the parlors, eyebrow was for 2 rupees. Okay, so what I used to do, go to college, in ladies' room, I used to go and sit and do everybody's eyebrows for 1 rupee. So always I had crowd.
हसिनाज ब्युटी वर्ल्ड ह्या तुमच्या सलूनान तुमच्या पार्लरान बरेंच नांव केल्लें आसा गोंया भितर. ताज्या बद्दल आमकां चड सांगा. म्हणजे तुमचो हो सलून जो आसा हो आतां वेगवेगळे भरपूर सलून्स आसात आमच्या गोंयान, खूब ब्रँड्स येतात. तुमचो सलूना बद्दल आनी बाकीच्या हितून कितें फरक आसा आनी कितें वेगळेपण आसा?
There is lot of difference. Like other salons, there is lot of staff working, like a parlor. Many people are working, different things they are doing. I am specialized in specific things. Like, actually I've done all courses with hair, with Tony and guys, with Morris, hair coloring, everything, every aspect, nails, everything, whatever is in the beauty thing I have done. But somehow, like my facials, like, they became signature. Like, people started feeling good. Must be I'm pampering too much. Like, and why it is different? Why somebody should come to me? Because what I did, nani, dadi ke nuske, whatever the old things were there, like chana atta hai, like, like besan is there, multani mitti is there, then aloe vera is there, honey is there, milk is there, cream of milk is there. ये सबको मैंने क्या किया, मतलब यूज में लिया, but how did I change it? By doing a fusion with aromatherapy.
तुम्ही आता जेन्ना अरोमा थेरपी बद्दल म्हणटात, अरोमा थेरपी एक्झॅक्टली कितें कॉन्सेप्ट आसता आनी हो कसो कितें हो तुमच्या स्किनेचेर ताजो इफेक्ट जाता?
Now aromatherapy is basically derived from, aroma means smell, sugandh. It's from flowers, plants. It's a plant extract. So one plant, तो उसका you can take roots, you can take bark, trunk, gum, small buds, flowers, petals, even the corolla of that, matlab all parts of the flowers, all parts of the plants, you can get derive oil. Means universe has given so much in that plant that we all can enjoy, benefit everything. Even health wise also is good, and even as application also good. Now what happens, aromatherapy is directly related, like when you smell it, the olfactory in the brain starts working with that smell, and it जो target है तुम्हारा, जैसे how we put Vicks balm लगा देते, तो your head you feel सही हो गया. What is there? Menthol, all those oils are only there, no? Eucalyptus, उसमें aroma oils, but to different level. But what happens in this, we have got pure form, absolutely pure form what we take. Like the extracts of these are very expensive. Okay, now when we are putting these drops in any of our mixtures, so we should see how it's going to blend, man. What is the carrier oil which will trap that? But these are highly volatile, गायब हो जाते. Okay, if human being touches them, they are just gone inside. So they, when you apply them on the skin, they are going direct to your bloodstream. Now दूसरा cream, whenever you buy the other creams which are now sourcing outside, they are superficial. They are not going to work inside at all.
कधी एक्सटर्नलूच हे असतं.
वो एक्सटर्नलीच असतात ते. तुवें लायले, तू 10 दीस लायले, 15 दीस लायले, ते 50 ग्रॅम्साचे जार, कितके दीस तू लायता तितके दीस ते स्किन बरी आसता. तुवें स्टॉप केले. विथ अरोमा थेरपी इट विल गो इन युअर ब्लड स्ट्रीम, इट्स गॉन ऑलरेडी इनसाइड.
ओके, म्हणजे तुझं इफेक्टिव्ह लॉंग लास्टिंग असतलं.
It is. And it's gone. And it's not going to come back. It's not reversible. आता तुवें facial आयले and I have taking my 3-4 oils. I'm making a mixture and putting for you. As soon as I apply it on your skin, it starts working. The effect will come afterwards, like after 7 days, 8 days. It's not like that. Instant it starts showing, and the reflection of that, whatever has worked, will start showing in 1 day or 2 days like that. But if I'm doing treatment for pigmentations or anything, that from the day one the work starts.
सो हे जे ट्रीटमेंट तुम्ही करता हे तुमकां कसले कसले ट्रीटमेंट तुम्ही आता दितात?
Now see, in my facials, like I have kept lot of things. Like facials, in that I've got vast of things. So all I cannot put in one facial. So I have made one like cucumber facial, aloe vera facial, like fairness ka facial hai. In that where kesar and everything is used. So there are different things, whatever I've categorized, and everything is charged with one rate only. So now abhi other parlors कितें जाता, जार घेतले suppose if whatever company जार घेतले so and so XYZ कंपनीचो तुवें एक फेशियलाचो जार घेतलो. आतां what are you doing? 16 वर्साची येयली ताकाय तेंच, 30 वर्साची बायल आयली ताकाय तेंच, 60 years आयली ताका तेंच लायता. You are putting the same cream you are putting, but how can it work? With me, it is like somebody who is coming 20 years old, so I will target for 20 years ka skin ke liye what it is. Above 50, anti-wrinkle, anti-aging, that. Okay. Girls are coming, how to keep their skin bright, glowing, another type of facial for them. Another oils are used. So every time oils are changed. You can never give one jar और सबको बना रहे, सबको वही लगा रहे. How it is possible? Not possible. So I have categorized everything in a different way. So people who ever come to me with different problems like skin ka, pimples ka, and all, people have come crying like अरे मैं इतने साल से so and so के पास treatment कर रही थी, मेरा नहीं हुआ. And they have got results. I have got with photographs. I have got proofs to show, like And people will have, I have got testimonies of people, decades, 20, जिसके बच्चे इतने छोटे थे, those parents अभी उन लोग माँ बन गए, even they are coming.
जेणे तुम्ही आताच म्हणले की तुमचे क्लायंट्स जे आसा हे खूप वर्सांपासून तुमच्याकडे कनेक्टेड आसा. सो तुमचे क्लायंट्स कशे आसता, म्हणजे खंयचो एज ग्रुप चड तुमचे कडेन येता किंवा खंयचे लोक म्हणजे वर्किंग क्लास किंवा हाऊस वायफ कोण चड तुमचे क्लायंट्स आसता?
I have got right from the age like college वाला लड़कीज are there. Teenagers are there who have got pimples, means 15 साल का 14 years, like so even parents they bring their boys also. अरे he is getting pimple, हसीना कुछ कर दे, like that. They bring their girls also. So it is always like माँ ने बेटी को लेके आ गई, बेटे को लेके आ गए, all like that it is. So right from school days say people who are coming to me are still coming, even if they are married they are still coming to me. Housewives are coming, working people are also coming. And I don't have any certain days when I'm closed, So even Sundays, and I accommodate according to how they will want to come. It is like that.
ब्युटी वर्ल्डान एक नाव जाल्लें आसा हसीना म्हणून, सगळीं जाण तुमकां वळखता. ह्या वर्सांनी रेकॉग्निशन कितें मेळ्ळें?
In Bombay, I got in 1992 Sarvashri, I got award. Then I got Sarva Samajika award. Then I got from Indian Council Management. From that I've got award. Then I have been a judge for fashion shows. I've given awards for that. Then Goa Chamber of Commerce, they as a young entrepreneur also they have felicitated me. Then I've got awards like international when there we have done courses. Then I've got from Morris Masterclass as a best hairdresser. Then from Mumbai makeup artist we have got Maui back. Her fashion, her workshops and all the topmost people had come, hairdressers and makeup artists of celebrities, film stuff. There I got the fastest makeup artist. I got an award for that. Then lately Gomantak, they also gave me special achievers award, like very respectable everything. Like, and more people know me by my name, that is very important. Even small children also know who is Haseena. Followed, no? That is the thing. So I'm happy, like whatever I have benefited. So
सो ओवरऑल इतल्या वर्सांचो तुमचो प्रवास हो कसो कितें एक्सपिरियन्स तुमकां दिसता हो?
I think if I was not a beautician, I must be, I think, dead by now. Because I love doing my work.
आमी जे हसिनाक आतां पळयतात इतली बबली इतली हॅपी गो लकी सगळे ती बऱ्यापैकी आमकां सांगता आनी शी इज एन्जॉयींग हर लायफ. आमकां दिसता हांगासर ती ह्या वयाचेर सुद्दां आमी तिका स्वीट 16 म्हणल्यार येता तितले ती ग्लो करता. पण तिच्या लायफांनी असो प्रसंग आयिल्लो जेन्ना ती सामकी खंय तरी शॅटर्ड जाल्ली, तिच्या लायफांनी ट्रेजिडी जाल्ली. सो ती कितें आशिल्ली ती आमच्या पळोवप्यांक सांगा आनी तुमी कशी ती ओवरकम केली?
Yeah. Now in 2010, like I was diagnosed with the liver failure. So when I went, we came to know that is a liver failure completely. So I will need a transplant for that. So then we had to be out of Goa for almost a year, like, and I did take a liver transplant, which was very successful. It is a very tedious journey, but after transplant my hair, everything had gone off, like, you know, like skin and all was looking very dark and everything, like, but with my aroma oils, like my aroma oils supported me so much because, you know, they are so positive oils. People did leave me, some of my clients, lack of knowledge. They felt, oh, this is going to be like that, oh, she's liver transplant, lack of knowledge. It's vast thing if you go to see.
सगळ्यांच्या लायफान कसलो ना कसलो एक ल्हानसो वायट प्रसंग येताच, पण त्या प्रसंगाचेर मात दिवन फुडें कशें सरप आनी दुसऱ्यां खातीर इन्स्पिरेशन कशें जावप हें आमचे असल्या अस्तुरें कडल्यानूच आमकां जाणून घेवपाक मेळटा. आमच्या बरोबर हसिना आसा जी स्वतान एक इन्स्पिरेशन आसा कितल्याशाच बायलां खातीर. तिका जर पळय जाल्यार आमी मात सुद्दां विचार करूं शकना की तिच्या लायफान हें सगळें घडलेलें आनी त्याशीच ती इतल्या स्ट्रॉंग आनी इतलीच घटसाणीन ती जगा मुखार आज आसा आनी सगळ्यांक आपल्या हातींतल्यान सगळ्यांक सुंदर करता. आमी वता वता तिका तिचे एरोमा थेरपी तिची ऑयल्स आसा ताच्या बद्दल आमी एक फावटी जाणून घेवया. म्हाका सांगा, तुमी आतां ही वेगवेगळी ऑयल तुमी स्वता तयार करतात, हे तुमी कशी शिकली आनी ही ऑयल्स कितें?
I have done my courses in UK for aromatherapy. First I used to use lot of gadgets, like, but when I did my course of aromatherapy and when I came to know that God has provided so many things so beautifully, so nicely you can get out of them, like, you know, that machines cannot give you, like, so I stopped all my machines and I got into aromatherapy. And first, like, I was to use it for me because it was very expensive. So in my Bombay salon we had 10 girls working there. So everybody used to ask, what your madam is using? आपकी मैडम क्या यूज़ करती है, उनकी स्किन कितनी अच्छी है? So they used to say, मैडम कुछ खास ऑयल बनाता है, अपने लिए बनाती है. हेयर को क्या करती है? That also ma'am makes the oil. Like, so they said, ask her to sell that oil to us and all like that. So they were constantly requesting, and then I told him it's quite expensive. I don't think like it is advisable for me to make all these and then sell. Like, no, फिर वो मेरे पर ही रह जाएगा तो फिर मैं क्या करूँगी, like. So then it started flowing fast, moving. People started buying and they started getting the good effect of good hair and everything. So in that way my aromatherapy oils came out. Other it would have been limited with me only. Like, and even my children, when they used to be sick, stomach ache, aromatherapy, vomiting, aromatherapy, headache, aromatherapy.
सो ही ऑयल्स फक्त तुका ब्युटिफूल करपाकूच न्ही पण बाकीचे पेन्सूय कितें हेल्थ
Health, aches, pains, everything. We have got salt bath therapy also here. Like, in that hot water we put our aroma oils according to what you have. Suppose knee ache hai, back ache hai. So in that warm oils you have this all fumes of good aroma oils and you enjoy that bath, you know. It is a twist with hot and cold, like, so it helps people. So it helps with everything, sinuses, stomach ache, lung infections, any blockages, and everything helps this aroma. And now this is my aroma magic oil. So this is like a very powerful oil, you know. It is have all the gun जिसमें होता है ना अच्छे 6-7 oils मिला के I have made this. It is with coconut virgin oil का base है इसमें, and it has haldi in that, okay, and it's very good for pigments, it's very good for tightening of skin, lightening, pimple ke marks hai, anything go with that. If you have tanned skin, it will go with that. Then same my hair oil also I sell. I sell my hair mask. I sell my slimming oils also. So if people are like obese, they apply. They have to just apply and break down oil. It is cellulite breakdown. So usse bhi aane ke they slim down. There are people constantly who are buying all these oils of mine. Now very soon we are going to launch all these oils on platform like online. We are doing it now.
हसीना बरोबरच आम्ही ब्युटीबद्दल खूपशी माहिती जाणून घेतली आणि तिची एरोमा थेरपी जी खूप युजफूल आसा फक्त ती तुमकां भायल्यान सुंदर करची ना पण तुमच्या भितरल्यान तुमची स्किन ग्लो जातली आणि तितली स्किन हेल्दी आसतली. तुम्ही हांगासर उदाहरण पळोवंक शकता की स्वताच ती स्वीट 16 कशी ग्लो करता आणि तिचे केसूय तितले तिने बरे मेंटेन केल्ले आसा. सो तिकाच मुखार धरून तिचे कडल्यान तुम्ही हे ट्रिटमेंट घेवं शकता. अपॉइंटमेंट्स घेवन नंबर तुमच्या मुखार आसा सो नंबर तुम्ही कॉल करू शकता तांकां आणि तांच्याकडे तुम्ही कॉन्टॅक्ट करू शकता. अपॉइंटमेंट घेवन तुम्ही तिका मेळूं शकता आणि तुम्ही तिच्या भाशेन खूप ब्युटिफूल दिसू शकता. सो मॅम तुम्ही ह्या कार्यावळीन आयली तुमचो वेळ दिलो आणि आमकां खूप बऱ्यो बऱ्यो टिप्स दिल्यो ताका लागून तुमकां खरेंच देव बरें करूं म्हणटा.
Thanks to you also, ma'am. And I enjoyed every bit of it and sharing my experiences with you all. And it was very nice. Like
अस्मितायच्या आयच्या भागान आमी मेळ्ळी आमची आयची ब्युटी एक्सपर्ट जिने आमकां खुबशी म्हायती दिली. फुडल्या भागान मेळुया अशाच एका अस्तुरेक आनी जाणून घेवया तिजो हो प्रवास. तो पर्यंत पळयत रावात अस्मिताय, पळयत रावात गोमंतक टीव्ही. देव बरें करूं.